In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Hitsound in Funky Friday. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to freely switch your Hitsound when playing Funky Friday. So all that you have to do is join a server. This can be either a public or private server, it doesn't matter. And then access these settings at the left side of the screen. So when you open the settings, you will have plenty of categories. What you have to do is go down until you reach sounds. So under the sound settings, the very first option is going to be hit sound. So the first option is going to change the actual hit sound that you are trying to use. Next, you have the playback speed. So you can set the speed of the actual hit sound. You can make it super fast and snappy, or even slow it down considerably. Then you have the hit sound position, hit sound volume, and the option to play the hit sound on a key press instead of when you hit the note. So to actually change the hit sound itself, you need to find an ID for a sound. So I recommend this website, robloxsong.com. In here, you can browse through a variety of IDs and you can copy them. So for example, lo-fi chill A, happy song, industry. One that I saw that I thought was very interesting is a Nintendo Switch click sound effect, so I'm going to use this one as an example, but you have all sorts of things. So just tap here to add it and then paste the new ID that you want to use. Once this is done, you can optionally customize the other settings or just leave them on default, and then you will be good to go. Sadly, for this video, I am not recording with audio, so I won't be able to showcase this, but as long as you put a public, valid ID, it is going to work for your hit sound. So make sure to press enter and input it there. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.